So yeah, this video is all about setting the enable setting the dev mode enable. Okay, so yeah, this is our Axon server which is already running on the port number 1990. Okay, so I am just opening port number localhost 1990 and showing you the Axon server. Okay, so this is how it look. So to enable the dev mode we need to add one property. Okay, so so this is Axon server properties which is located yeah, here Axon server properties, which is same folder inside the Axon server 4.6.7. Okay, so yeah, I am just directly opening Axon server properties and I am putting the dev mode enabled is equal to true. By default it is false. Okay, so because of it is false, it is not showing the reset event button. Okay, so I am putting dev mode dot enabled is equal to true. Okay, let me save it and rerun the Axon server one more time. So our application is up on port number 1990. If you see here, development mode enable, you see this button. So this button is, yeah, okay. So I will show you the UI first. Okay, UI means the Axon server. So if I am refreshing it, you see you have this reset event store button. So this event store reset event store button used to reset the events. So if I click on this reset event store button, it will show this dialog box, and once you click on OK, it will clear all the events which is present. Yeah, which is actually present here. So currently we don't have any event command or queries, so we will add it later. Thanks for watching.